Hey guys, my name is Divya. I'm a doctor and I have held a management role with a healthcare company for a while. I've been doing a series of videos on my channel to help everybody out in the community get certified with whatever certification exams they're working on. So be it the SHRM, PMP or PGMP, I do hope that you're watching my videos and finding them helpful. If you are, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It would really mean a lot to me and keep me motivated. So guys, different positioning today with the same house and same person. You can see the crayon, 5-year-old crayon drawing right on the wall, but I thought that I'd leave it up there to show you that this is a realistic place where there's realistic studying for certification exams going on. So today really the video is dedicated to 2 crazy tips that I learned from my 5-year-old in terms of studying. So these are studying tips that I learned from my 5-year-old and I wanted to share them with all of you. I do hope that these help you. So tip number 1, easy peasy, start writing with your left hand or your non-dominant hand. In my case, my non-dominant hand is my left hand, so I hope that you use that more and more to write, because if you do, then 2 things end up happening. Either you become really frustrated and move on to your right hand or your dominant hand, and then you automatically get into the rhythm of studying. The second thing that can happen is that the rhythm just keeps going, so you slowly write with your left hand, and if you write slowly with your non-dominant hand, then you will realize that you're committing things to memory much better. So both those things happen to me at different points of time, and they really help me study and commit things to memory. Not just simple rote memorization, but it actually helps you understand. I'm not sure the logic behind these things, but it really helps me. So I got this tip when my son started writing, and I realized what a difficult task it is for him. And I also realized that we've repeated our writing strokes enough number of times that we think it's easy, but it's really not. So we need to put ourselves into the mind of a child, of a student who realizes that any new thing is difficult. If you're finding your certification exam studying difficult, believe you me, everybody is. It doesn't matter how much of a genius you are, it doesn't matter if you think you're not good enough, because you really are. You just have to slow down, take time to write, use the non-dominant hand, either move on to your dominant hand or just continue. Slow down and you'll see that you've conceptualized it in your mind. Tip number 2, use sticky notes. So I use sticky notes on my refrigerator, here, there, everywhere, and it really helps me. I do it for the rhymes that my son has to memorize. I do it for concepts that I need to get done. This is an exam if you find a concept difficult. Let's just say a leadership theory, let's just say a knowledge area in PMP, make a note, put it on your refrigerator. Something that you've studied the previous day, I think it's nice to put it up in the refrigerator because it's a nice little revision. You're reviewing it on the refrigerator, which is probably in your kitchen, while you're making your cup of tea, maybe while you're brewing your coffee, and now you've already reviewed it and committed it to memory. I've done it with leadership theories, I've done it for my PMP and PGMP exam, so I really hope that you do the same. So these were my 2 quick tips and a quick video today, guys, in terms of studying. I will link my 10 tips in terms of studying for the SHRM below. I will link the PMP exam tips below, and I will also link my video to the leadership theories below. So once again, hopefully the videos are helping all of you. Thank you so much for watching.